Alrighty, guys, we got a call from this aftermarket insurance company, extended warranty company. Guys, they have some more requests. I was reading the comment section. You guys are pretty much on point, man. It was looking slim and like they was going to deny it, but here's the thing. They talking about sending me 2 heads. Okay, now I have no problem with that. I just don't recommend that because I think yeah, it really don't matter what I think. They make the final call. But here's the thing. They got one more request. They want me to get a ruler straight edge. Okay, yes, this is a straight edge, but I guess this throws people off. Okay, so I've got to go get a ruler one and send them the readings. Okay, I need to get my filler gauge and give them the exact reading, how many how much this is warped by, or if it's warped at all. Okay, so I guess the guy, the inspector, I don't know, technically didn't do his job. I don't know how they looking at that, but they called me today, called me upstairs in the office and told me they trying to send us 2 heads. And I'm telling them, or they telling them, that we don't want 2 heads, but it's not our call. Yeah, and so my manager was, he on our side. I mean, it makes sense. Like, if we put 2 heads on here and that don't fix it, then y'all gonna have to pay us again for an engine. They okay with that, okay? And that's their call. Again, it's their call and their money. So I'm gonna do what I'm told. At this point, I'm out of the equation as far as diagnosing it. It's all on them. So I'm gonna let them have their way. All right, I gotta go find a straight edge. Let me run up to somewhere. Y'all stay tuned. She's pretty.
Let me get your freaking filler gauges too. Just a professional.
Man, we can see what happened, but they won't proof. All right, here's this 2015 Grand Cherokee. We got to get some proof. We're trying to show proof that the cylinder heads are actually warped. It's this overheater. They got it extremely too hot. So first we're going to go and get the specs. Flat head gasket surface. Here's our specs right here, a metric. Okay, so 0.09. Now we got a straight edge over here. Now we're going to measure this head. And the spec says 0.09.
There's 10. You can put them in.
So as you can see, we can get a 10 under there. That is in essence fail. Okay, what's that number? Yeah. So in essence, these heads are actually warped. So, and they're made of aluminum. So it's too extremely risky to get this flat, or to get it resurfaced rather. So we'd much rather a new engine, guys. This is all aluminum engine. So there's the reading you're looking for. There's the specs you're looking for. We got the straight edge on it, and we got it tested and measured. This head is warped. All right. How? Who knows? But that's what you was looking for. That's what we got you. All right.